Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can turn off camera shutter sound on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my camera application and I'm going to show you the camera shutter sound like this. Wait. And I'm going to show you how we can turn off this sound on our camera. And in this tutorial guys, I'm going to show you two methods to turn off the camera shutter sound. The first method, you can go to your notification panel and then you can change the sound mode to vibrate or silent, mute. And for example, I'm just going to change it to vibrate. And then I'm going to go back to my camera and let's see the result. Okay, and now the shutter sound has been turned off. And if you don't want to change the mode to vibrate, I still have one method you can try. Wait, I'm going to turn it to sound, and then the second method I'm going to show you is activating the do not disturb mode. So you can just activate this option. If this do not disturb mode hasn't appeared on your quick setting panel, you can go to your setting and activate the do not disturb mode. Okay, now the do not disturb mode has been activated, and let's open up our camera. Okay, all right, and okay, the camera shutter sound has been disabled. And I'm going to show you how we can activate the do not disturb mode on our setting. You just need to go to the setting and then go to the notification setting. Wait guys, I'm going to go back to my main setting. Okay, and then go to the notification setting. Okay, then here you will be able to activate the do not disturb mode. However guys, when you activate the do not disturb mode on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you won't get notification from your chat and also your phone calls. But don't worry, because you can still allow some notifications on your Samsung Galaxy phone during the do not disturb mode. You can allow calls and messages right here, and also app notification. You can make exception, and you can still activate the alarm and sounds. Okay, and you can customize it as you need. Okay guys, and that's all of the methods we can try to turn off camera shutter sound on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.